Hey everyone, welcome back. If the Westpac app is stuck on loading screen, first swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the Westpac app and swipe it away. Wait for a few seconds, then only reopen it. Next, swipe down from your phone screen, then turn on airplane mode. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. After that, restart your phone and open the app again. Then check for app updates. Go to the App Store, search for the Westpac app, and make sure to update your app to the latest version so you'll have all the bug fixes and the app will load smoothly. Then, if the issue continues, go ahead and long press on the Westpac app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for the app, and reinstall it from there. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.